We had foundation damage due to the flood. We were actually one of the lucky ones, though, because we didn't get it on our first floor. We heard stories like it was going to flood, and you hear this and that, and then you're kind of watching the water. In fact, we went around walking that night, and we're just watching the water, and then later on, it was just like we're knee-deep in water here.
Well, where we're standing here that's known as Turtletown was a huge area affected. Well in excess of probably 80 to 100 homes in this section of town.
They had a lot of roads blocked off. We went up to the Boys and Girls Club and pretty much stayed there in our vehicle overnight.
Between our village workers and some outside agencies and help, we were able to clean up fairly quickly, the initial cleanup. But overall, the village is recovering fairly well. Although there's a lot of people, there's a few people moved out and said they don't want anything to do with it anymore. There's others that abandoned their properties.
If we had probably had more damage inside the house, we probably would have just said forget it, because it would have been too much. This was a big project in of itself, the foundation, but inside would have been a different story.